Well, the trial for the man charged in a complicated upstate murder case is now underway. Fox Carolina was the first to alert you to the many twists and turns in the killing on Canebrake. Well, this all started on October 13th, 2021, when Christina Parcell was found stabbed to death on the living room floor of her home in Greer on Canebrake Drive. She was stabbed more than 30 times. The next month, Zachary Hughes was arrested and charged with her murder. His trial was set to begin last month, but it was postponed because there weren't enough qualified jurors. Well, Hughes is the only person who's been charged in Parcell's murder, but two other arrests were made in the wake of her death. One of those was the father of her child, John Mello. Fox Carolina obtained a court filing in September 2022. The motion revealed Hughes was close friends with John Mello. Mello and Parcell were involved in a contentious custody battle when she was killed. Investigators would later charge Hughes and Mello with harassing Parcell in the months leading up to her death, but Mello is not charged with her murder. But there was yet another arrest after Parcell was killed. While investigating, deputies made a disturbing discovery. Parcell's fiancé, Bradley Post, was charged with multiple counts of sexual exploitation of a minor. Investigators say he both possessed and made child sexual abuse material. Court records accuse Parcell of participating in this. However, she was never charged nor convicted. Well, after last month's delay, that trial finally began. A jury is now seated and opening statements are underway. Earlier this morning, the judge made a decision regarding a pre-trial motion. The motion was over Bradley Post, Christina Parcell's fiancé. The state wants to call him as a witness, but they don't want the defense to bring up the criminal charges he's facing. Well, investigators say they found evidence of several crimes, all related to child sexual abuse material, on Post's devices in the home where Parcell was killed. The state says even though that evidence was found at the scene, it's not related to the murder.
Your Honor, at the end of the day, going into his particular crime would serve this jury absolutely no purpose as to whether Zach Hughes committed this crime or not.
The state says the defense has also made unsubstantiated claims that Parcell was involved in making some of the child sexual abuse material. The defense addressed this first, saying they have proof.
Over and over again, when the state alleges that it's wholly unsubstantiated, we just have to address that, Your Honor. It is highly substantiated. We have evidence to show that.
Ultimately, the judge agreed with the state, saying Post charges are irrelevant to this trial, but if it does become relevant, then they can revisit this decision. Right now, Post is on the stand for proffering, but the jury is not present. Both the state and the defense are questioning Post about his relationship with Parcell, the day she was found dead, and their personal history to determine what evidence will be accepted during the trial. Again, opening statements are happening right now. We are not allowed to live stream these proceedings, but we are allowed to report real-time updates of what is happening inside the court. So we do have a live blog going on right now at foxcarolina.com. Just go to foxcarolina.com to watch that.